Okay guys, we have a train coming. I still don't know what one it is. I'm here with my friend. Say hi. His house is right there. And we're really close to the train track, so we're just rail fanning. Okay, I'm gonna stand a little back. Safe trend, type 3 e-bill. Okay, it's gonna be loud. Real loud. Oh wow, that looks old! That looks old! Might be, I don't know. Can't tell. Oh wait, no. Woo! There it goes. Oh crap. Oh wow, look! Vintage locomotive on the back! Look at that! sd60f! Woo! Zebra stripe locomotive, sd60f. It's a zebra stripe locomotive. The ground shaking. Okay, I'll cut it till another train comes. We got some box cars here. Are you videoing? Yep. Okay, till another locomotive comes. We got some other cars here. One with CSX. We got Santa Fe. The bell here. Wait till it runs me up. Well, there it is, guys. I'll see you next time on another video.